Do you want to enjoy a debt-free life? If you got a credit card debt or a personal loan or a car loan, you are not in control of your financial future. You're not free. Hi everyone, this is Aditi Kaur from Life Changer. Let me help you to regain control of your financial future and the freedom. Debt is slavery. The moment you wake up in the morning to the alarm clock, debt is in your mind. And it impacts everything that you do, even if the food you eat or the clothes you wear. Or even if you go on a holiday, it's there in the back of your mind. So let's get rid of this debt. Get back your self-esteem. It's a 3-step procedure. The first one is to calculate. Pick up a pen, write down the debts that you have. So I'm not talking about your house loan or HECS or HELP loan. I'm only talking about your car loan, personal loan, friends, the loan or your money you owe to your friends, or maybe I'm talking about the car parking fines that you got. So just write them in an order, okay? Write down how much monthly premium you are paying and write down the interest rate. I know not many of you do it, but if you would do it, you would see the difference. You would see what I mean. So have a clarity on how much you need to pay. Second thing is to negotiate. With a credit card debt, that's the worst of it. So you need to make a phone call to the company or the bank or the institution that's given you the credit card to renegotiate your credit card. You might be paying a higher rate of interest, and in the market you could see balance transfer credit card offers where they ask you 0%, say, annual fee, zero annual fee, or maybe 0% interest, or no balance transfer fee. So there are all sorts of offers available for credit card balance transfers. But I'm not asking you to do it. The reason I'll tell you in a minute. So what you're going to do is renegotiate your credit card. Maybe you could end up paying less annual fee with your conversation with the institution, or you could end up getting the annual fee waived off or get less rate of interest. Now the reason why I didn't go for balance transfer is because the credit card itself is a trap. So if you go for a credit balance transfer for a credit card today, and tomorrow you again feel there is a need to use a credit card, you would use it and you would start paying a higher rate of interest. So it's a kind of a trap for you. If you have to really go for it, look, we are wanting to eliminate the debt. We're not wanting to add the debt, okay? So if you really want to eliminate and really want to do the balance transfer to another institution for your credit card, go ahead, but then cut up your credit card and chuck it in the bin. Don't use it ever again. Don't fall into the trap again. All right? So the first one was calculate. I'm reiterating. The second one is to negotiate, and the third one is to knock out. That's my favorite. So when you've written the loans or the debts that you owe, start paying them off from the minimum amount. Pick up the very smallest loan or debt that you have and then progress to the higher one. Do not choose the one with a higher rate of interest, because you could be just paying it off for a long time and you would reach nowhere. You would just stand there where you were. So if you have to gain confidence, you have to get that idea in your mind that you have really paid off something. And that could only happen by paying the smaller debt first. Follow this. Use these 3 things. Tell me how it worked for you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Welcome to Life Changer again. And keep motivated. Live a free life, a positive life. Thank you.